In a base six number system, what comes after 55 or 55? Okay, so in a base six number system, there are only six symbols: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Just like in a base 10 number system, which is what we're more used to, there are only 10 symbols, 0 through 9. And we make every other number using those symbols. Okay, so after 5, 5, if we were in base 10, we would say, oh, 5, 6, but there is no 6, right? So we have to go to the next place value and we would say 6, 0, but there is no 6. So you go to the next place value and it's 1, 0, 0. So in base six, 5, 5, it's kind of playing the role of 9, 9 in base 10 because 5 is the very last symbol that we have use for, okay, that we can make use of. So after 9, 9 in base 10 is 1, 0, 0. And after 5, 5 in base 6 comes 1, 0, 0. Okay, in a base 7 number system, what number comes before 6, 0? So remember, base 7 only has 7 symbols, 0 through 6. Okay, so before 6, 0 um, was 5 something, right? Because you go 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, then 6, 0. So you go through each of these in the ones place until you bump up the tens place from 5 to 6. So the next number would be, oh, sorry, we're going backwards. So the number before 6, 0 would be 5, 6. If it helps, you could just count all of the numbers. So start counting. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you have 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Then you're out of one, so you have to go 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Then you move to the 3, 3, 3, 0, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. 4, 0, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. 5, 0, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. 6, 0. Convert 3, 2, 2 from base 4 to base 10. So base 4 means that instead of powers of 10, like if I were to expand this in base 10, 3, 2, 2, it would be 3 times 10 squared plus 2 times 10 to the first plus 2 times 10 to the 0. But instead of tens, we're using fours. So this is going to be 3 times 4 squared plus 2 times 4 to the first plus 2 times 4 to the 0. So this is 3 times 16 plus 2 times 4 plus 2 times 1. So that's 48 plus 8 plus 2 is 58.